You want to suck a dick?
Yeah! Wheelies all day, every day. Welcome to this channel, baby. Welcome to this channel. Houston, Texas, born and raised. All day, every day. Getting paid.
Texas tatted on my arm. Got used to know.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Juice coming back at you with another video. Check it out, guys. I just wanted to be really quick and really brief about my opinion on what clutch lever and why what clutch lever matters when you're doing a wheelie. All right? Check it out. Listen to me, baby. Check it out. All right. I got the RSC clutch lever, right? It's an easy pull clutch lever. I've did a whole bunch of wheelies back in the day. Maybe not back in the day, but like 6-8 months ago, maybe a year. I don't fucking know. I'm not good at dates. And when I use the regular shorty clutch lever, I've also used the OEM clutch lever. For some reason, you just could not get that pop like this. You couldn't get that shit, no matter how hard you tried. I mean, you could do a wheelie, but your wheelies were almost so poor-like. Like, I'm positive that anybody that's good at doing wheelies can still do good wheelies with a regular clutch lever. But something about this RSC clutch lever, if you buy this, you will never, ever in your fucking life use another regular ass clutch. There was one time when I first bought my Honda CVR 600 RR, I wasn't even gonna ride that motherfucker until the Six Shop, which is a what do you call it? A company that provides stuff parts for a lot of people in America, right? So I wouldn't even ride that bike until I got that clutch lever. That's how crucial that was. All right. I don't know what it is about this clutch lever. Maybe it could be the ball bearing inside this motherfucker that makes it just so smooth. Like the way it's shaped. They got different sizes now. I think they got like a long one, a medium long one, and a short one. Which is, I got the short one. I think the short one is the most common one. It's usually a 1-finger pull. Now you can comfortably fit 2 fingers on it. Comfortably fit 2 fingers on that motherfucker. But when I shift with 2 fingers, right? But when I do a wheelie and I clutch that bitch up, I'm clutching with 1 fucking finger. So that's just my opinion on clutch levers. If you get that clutch lever, you're probably going to most likely come back to this channel and comment below and say, Juicer, you the man. You the motherfucking man. But it's really cold right now and I'm shivering and I'm shaking. And I don't know if I can hear it in my voice or not. Oh, it's police officer. I don't know if I can hear it in my voice or not. But I gotta get off this line, man. Because you see the cop right there? This is fucking interesting. But check this out, guys. If you have not subscribed, what the fuck are you doing with your life? Go ahead, subscribe now for more no bullshit motorcycle advice all day, every day. This is your boy Juice. I'm out. Peace. More motorcycle cops. What is going on?